Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my video presentation on Greenbone Vulnerability Scanner. So I have imported the Greenbone Vulnerability Scanner from the OBF file. OBF file. Okay. Then, as far as the settings are concerned, network I have selected NAT network. Otherwise, if you are comfortable with the host only adapter, then go for host only adapter. Okay. And so in my case, I have selected the NAT network with a custom IP address. So the NAT network with a custom IP address here. And also I'm running the Kali and the Bodhi Linux in NAT network. And as far as the Greenbone is concerned, ensure that the display is VMS VGA, VMS VGA. Otherwise, there would be display error. And try to assign minimum 4 to 5 GB RAM space. So once the Greenbone boots, the default username is admin and the password is admin. Your Greenbone enterprise appliance is not fully functional. Yes, it is not fully functional. We have to do some configurations. So press S. And this part we have to skip because we are using the community edition. And open an editor to paste the key. So we don't have the enterprise edition and the key for the enterprise edition. So we have to skip this part. Just press OK here. So we are in the setup maintenance advanced about window. So enter the setup. So under the setup, we can find the user, network, service, feed, and keyboard and time tabs. So just press the user and create a new user. Okay, first let's see is there any user existing. So list user, show a list of users, press OK. So there is an admin user. So we need a guest user, super admin, delete account, user session, change password. So we want create a global admin account. So we are creating a new account. Let's say the account name is Tom. Don't press the tab. Press the arrow key. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then the username is Tom and the password is 1, 2, 3. So we have created a new admin account. So I go back, manage the web users, show the list of all users. It's a bit slow because of the RAM. I have allocated 5 GB. If you increase the RAM to around 8 GB, it would be more faster. So these are the two existing users. Back and back. So go to the network, and under the network you can find the IP address of this system. 192.168.50.4 in my case. Okay, so this is IP address of my system. So once you know the IP address, you can go to Kali. Kali, that it has some display problem. So I can access the Greenbone from any system, okay, within the local area network, virtual local area network. So I'm just opening the uh, browser in the Bodhi Linux. So 192. So you can access from Kali or any system which is uh, within the virtual local area network. So 50.5. So this is the IP address of the Greenbone. So it is giving us the warning message. Just click the advanced and then proceed. Click proceed. I should get a login page. Let me refresh. Okay, just let me figure out what is the issue. The login page is not displayed. So maybe not secure. Already I have allowed. So let me try from the Kali 192.168 T.5. So again there is a warning message. Accept the risk and continue. Yeah. So it is coming. Login page of the Greenbone is opening in the Mozilla browser in the Kali system. So the web in the Greenbone we have created uh, a user now. Okay, you can just check the list of users. The name of the user is Tom. So I'm going to use that user account to log in into the Greenbone from Kali. So username is Tom and password is 123. Save the password if you want. Yeah. So now we have connected to the Greenbone from the Kali Linux because the Greenbone itself is not having the graphical user interface. It is to access the Greenbone. Okay, now let's try to access this, scan the Bodhi Linux from the Greenbone. So instead of Bodhi Linux, you can use either Windows, vulnerable Windows system, or Metasploitable 2, since they have a lot of vulnerabilities. So how to scan now? Just go to Scan tab, click the task, and then here you can find the new task. Okay, just click the new task. Okay, give some name. Okay, task 1. Okay, then some commands. Let's say this is scan about the body, and let's check the IP of the body is 50.50.4. Scan the then scan target. So I give a new target. Body is the target name, and the IP is 192.168.50.4. This is the IP of the Bodhi Linux. And if you have any file from where you want to import the IP list, you can do that. Otherwise, and also you can exclude certain IP address. Okay, this is to scan parallelly and so on. Okay, so and these are for like SSH, SMB, and so on. So this is enough. Like just give the target name and the IP address of the target system, and uh, what else? Add result to assets. So this is OpenOS default one scanner. Okay, I'll leave the all the default things. Save. So now you have got the task created. So click the play or start button, and now the scan has started. Let's wait for some time. So the scanning already done. So you can click the status, okay, and check that, analyze the result. So there are two vulnerabilities. One is TCP timestamp information disclosure, and the ICMP timestamp reply information disclosure. And the CVSS score, or we call it as severity, is 2.6, not so critical. Another one is 2.1, and so 1 CB. So this is a unique ID for the vulnerabilities. Okay, and this is related to the second one, ICMP timestamp. Okay, so ICMP timestamp reply information, and the severity is 2.1, so it is very low, not in critical stage. So we get the information about the operating system, Linux kernel, and the amount of vulnerability from the Bodhi Linux is less, but if you scan some vulnerable systems like Metasploitable 2 or Metasploitable 3 or any Windows vulnerable systems, then you would find a lot of vulnerabilities, CVEs. By this way, you can understand the concept of vulnerability study using the scanners like Greenbone. Okay, so with this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you very much.